Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon AT4X. Desert sand metallic paint with an Obsidian Rush interior. Under the hood you have a 2.7-liter turbo paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes having heated and cooling seats with a heated steering wheel, heads-up display, power sunroof, wireless charging, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that Obsidian Rush color scheme on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks, as well as having memory settings for the driver's seat and mirrors. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have some interior lighting controls and the trailer brake controller just below it. Black leather bucket seats with the AT4X etching on the side of the seat. You can see the red and white accents throughout as well with red stitching. Power controls with lumbar support on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, while the right has your voice recognition, heated steering wheel, some more audio controls. This button in the bottom right corner changes the display in front of you. There's a few different options depending on the information you want displayed in front of you. The entertainment display has your audio. This will be your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. Back on the home menu, you have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, digital climate controls, as well as all of the other settings for the vehicle and display itself. Camera that you can look through here with a few options along the bottom. Below the screen, you have your physical climate control. This has your temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls, as well as the heated and cooling seats for the driver and the passenger. Push to start is just to the left. At the front of the central dash area here, you have your automatic start and stop, hazards, lane keep assist. You can see a few others that run along that area as well. Wireless charging pad at the front, as well as a couple outlets for you to use. Next to the shifter, you have your drive mode selector and electronic parking brake, and the dual cup holder just in front of the center console at the front here. You can open that up for even more storage space on the inside. Up top, you have the rear view mirror, of course. You also have the power controls for your sunroof located above you. And in front of the passenger, you have the glove box, which is quite spacious. So there's quite a bit of storage space in the front of the vehicle if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that nice desert sand metallic paint, the red GMC emblem in the center of the black grille with the AT4X badge in the corner, black and gray accents along the bottom of the front bumper, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, black mirror caps with your blind spot indicator at the front, paint match door handles with keyless entry. At the back, you can see you have the hard folding tonneau cover, the red GMC emblem above the chrome Canyon emblem with your AT4X badge in the corner. We'll open up the tailgate here. You have plenty of storage space in the back with cargo tie-down locations at each corner, onboard power as well. And the easy lift tailgate makes it super easy to close when you're all done. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same Obsidian Rush color scheme you had in the front. Magazine holders on the backs of the seats. The black leather seating with the white and red accents and the red stitching. The center folds down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You can use the handle on the side of the seat to lift the seat, giving you access to the under-seat storage. Pull that handle again to lower the seat and put it back into place. On the back of the center console, you have your 2 cup holders and a couple of outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon AT4X. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.